Okay, now this is your diagram. Okay, and what you have to what was given in the given figure, what value of x will make EF parallel to CD? EF parallel to CD if AB is parallel to CD. Now AB is parallel to CD. Okay, I will draw the diagram again. This is your A, B, C, D. Okay, I'm not making the complete diagram. Okay, now if I made this much only, okay, and if AB is parallel to CD, that means what? I'm extending it. Okay, AB is parallel to CD. I'm extending both the things. Okay, so what will happen? This angle will be equal to this angle, alternate interior angle. BC is the transverse. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this angle is equal to this angle because this is a transverse. Okay, and the lines are parallel. Therefore, angle ABC will be equal to angle BCD. Okay, so this is your 65 degree. Okay, so therefore angle BCD will be equal to 65 degree. Yes. Okay, but now if you see in the diagram here, you are having a line. Okay, from here. Okay, EF. Okay, and this angle is given as 25 degree. Okay, so this angle will be equal to what? 65 degree minus 25. Yes, which will be equal to what? 35, 30, 40. Okay, 40 degree. Okay, now this will be equal to 40 degree. Okay, now what it is asking, what value of x will make EF parallel to CD? Okay, x की क्या value EF को parallel बना देगी CD के? Okay, if you want EF is parallel to CD, then what you have to do? See, I'm marking the angle. Okay, this is written as x. Okay, if this plus this, okay, if this plus this angle, okay, EF parallel to CD, then angle FEC plus angle ECD will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, if the two lines are parallel and a transverse is passing through the lines, then the angles, then the sum of the interior angle on the same side of the transverse is equal to 180 degree. Okay, if the lines are parallel. Okay, so if you want that EF should be parallel to CD, that means this angle X plus this angle, okay, should be equal to 180 degree. So this is represented as X, and this we have calculated as 40 degree. Okay, you see here, I have calculated here 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so X value will be what? 180 degree minus 40. It will be equal to what?
140.
Yeah, 140. Any doubt?
Ma'am, can you explain it to me from the starting?
Yeah, Razi. Okay, see. Okay, just first see the half figure. Okay, I'm drawing here just the half figure. Okay, this Z. Okay, just look at that Z. Okay, CD. Okay, now AB is parallel to CD. Okay, Razi, AB is parallel to CD. That means this angle will be equal to this angle because they are alternate interior angles. Alternate angles. Okay, alternate interior angles. So they will be equal. Okay, since the lines are parallel. If line is not parallel, then you cannot say that they are equal. But since AB is parallel to CD, so this angle will be equal. Now this is given to you as 65 degree. That means this whole angle will also be equal to 65 degree. Okay, Razi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but you see here, this angle is divided. Okay, EF. Okay, and this portion is given as 25 degree. So this will be 65 degree minus 25 degree, which is equal to 40 degree. Okay, understood, Razi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now it is said in the question, what value of x will make EF parallel to CD? आपको EF को parallel करना है CD के. X की क्या value होगी कि EF जो है वो parallel हो जाए CD के. Okay, क्या होगा? देखो EF को अगर parallel करना है CD के, so you see if you extend this EF, okay, and CD, then EC is the transverse. Okay, so angle X and this angle ECD is on the same side of the transverse. So the sum should be equal to 180 degree. Yes or not? The sum should be equal to 180 degree. I'm asking, telling you about this angle plus this angle. Okay, so the sum will be equal to 180 degree. So that's what I have done here. The sum will be equal to 180 degree, and this angle we have already calculated. Okay, ECD we have already calculated as 40. So 180 degree minus 40. So value of x is 140 degree. Okay, this question was in your assignment also. Okay, if anybody has not done it, just complete your assignment and then submit. Okay, now any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's see the next question. In the given figure, if AB is parallel to CD, then find the value of x. Now you have to find the value of x. AB is parallel to CD. Okay. Now let's copy the figure. What happened? Oh, just a minute. Oh, Wait, I'll do something. What happened to this figure? Okay, let it be. I'll correct it afterwards. I just have to copy. Just give me 2 minutes. Just copy it. Aram, switch off your mic. Read the question. Okay, yeah. Now this is your diagram. Okay, now it is given that. Okay, what is given here? That AB is parallel to CD. Okay, and we have to find the value of X. Okay, now how can we find the value of X if AB is parallel to CD? What we can do? We can okay, and from here, this is A point. Okay, B, A, D, C. This is your X. This is your 105 degree, and this is your 25 degree. Okay, from this E, I am making another line. Okay, in such a way that this line is parallel. Okay, this line is parallel to AB and CD. Okay, this line is parallel to AB and CD. Okay, now if you see that the first one, AB is parallel to EF. Okay, if AB is parallel to EF, if not, AB is parallel to ECF, we directly write. AB is parallel to EF. Okay, we have constructed EF in such a way that it is parallel to AB and CD. Okay, so if AB is parallel to EF, therefore this angle BAE plus angle AEF is equal to 180 degree. Yes, angles on the same side of the transverse, interior angle on the same side of the transverse. Okay, so the sum will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, therefore, yeah. So BAE can be written angle BAE only. I'm writing plus AEF can be written as angle AEC plus angle CEF. Okay, is equal to 180 degree. Now this is given to you as 105 degree. Now this is given as 25 degree. This is not given. Angle CEF is equal to 180 degree. Now from here you can calculate angle CEF will be equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree minus 25 degree. Okay, so it will be minus 130 degree. Okay, so angle CEF will be 50 degree. This angle will be 50 degree. Okay, any doubt here? This angle will be equal to 50 degree?
No, ma'am.
Okay, just turn on my laptop. Okay, now this we have got as 50 degree. Now you see angle this side CD. Okay, CD is parallel to EF. Okay, if you take CD is parallel to EF, that means this angle X plus angle 50 will be equal to 180 degree. Yes. Okay. Now I'm writing.
Yes, ma'am.
CD parallel to EF. Therefore, angle X plus angle 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So angle X is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree equal to 130 degree. Okay. So actually, I have calculated this 50 to get the value of angle X. Okay. Understood? So here, angle X is equal to 130 degree. Any doubt?
No.
Now let's see the last question here. Okay, now this is a proof. Okay, a transverse intersect two parallel lines. Let me copy. Diagram is not given in this, but I'm here copying the diagram from here. In the question, diagram is not given. Okay. Now, a transverse intersect two parallel lines. Okay. Now, it is said in the question, a transverse intersect two. First, you have to draw two parallel lines. So, I have drawn two parallel lines as AB and CD. Okay, you can see the diagram. The two parallel lines are AB and CD. Now, a transverse is intersecting two parallel lines. So, I have drawn a transverse LH. Okay, LH, which is intersecting the line AB at P and line CD at Q. Okay. Now prove that the bisector of any pair of corresponding angles so formed are parallel. Okay. So you can choose any pair of corresponding angle. I am choosing the pair as LPA, and then LPA is a corresponding angle to the angle PQC. Okay. So I'm choosing this. Now if you see the other side, LPB is also this. This is also this plus this is also a corresponding angle. Okay. In fact, this and this are also corresponding angle. Okay. This and this are also corresponding angles. Okay. So you can choose any pair. Okay. It is written for any pair. Okay. I'm rubbing this for no more confusion. Okay. Now I have chosen the angle LPA. Okay. So now since the corresponding lines are parallel and a transverse is passing, therefore, since AB is parallel, AB is parallel to CD, therefore angle LPA is equal to angle PQC, corresponding angles. Okay. Now, if you see that both the angles here, we can do half. Yes, we can divide it by 2. Okay. So dividing by 2 on both the sides. So what we will get? Angle LPA by 2 is equal to angle PQC by 2. Okay. Understood? Now, you see that the angle bisector of N. Okay. That means PE is the angle bisector of angle LPA and FQ is the angle bisector of PQC. Okay. Now I am taking half of angle LPA and half of angle PQC. So instead of writing this, I can write it as angle LPE is equal to angle PQF. Yes, because E and F are the angle bisector of both the angles. Okay. So from here, you see, you find it that they are equal. Okay. Since they are corresponding angles, therefore EP is parallel to FQ. Okay. Because yield angles जो आपने prove किए हैं, okay, this angle. When you have proved that this angle is equal to this angle, so they are what, corresponding angles or not? Okay, if you see the transverse LH and if you extend this line, okay, this and this, okay, so they both are what, corresponding angles. Since the corresponding angles are equal, therefore EP will be parallel to FQ. Okay, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Now,
No, ma'am, I got it. Like, so it's like it's just the same image. It's like the same thing.
Same thing in reference to what?
I'm going to show the last one. I was saying
So
that
we just say that they are all about means
there's
line.
two of them, and two of them, they're exactly the
You
same.
can see the same thing what we are proving, like A, B, C, D को थोड़ा सा tilt किया गया है, okay? In that way. So these type of question can come where the no figure is there and just statement form is also there, okay? So try to focus on these questions also, okay? Everybody, any doubt till now in the parallel lines, parallel and transverse line? Any section of the parallel line and transverse line, any problem? Because that is the second topic and we have finished today. Okay. And this is your third topic of your lines and angles. Okay. That is angle sum property of a triangle. Okay. Now we are going to start with the angle sum property of a triangle. Now what do you mean by angle sum property? Before that, we will see what is a triangle, what are its interior angle, what are its exterior angle and all. Okay. So first of all, triangle. What is a triangle? Triangle is a closed figure formed by three intersecting lines. Okay. We call it triangle. Now the triangle has three vertices, three angles and three sides. Okay. Yes. Vertex as A, B, C. Okay. In this figure, at the given figure, we have vertex as A, B, C, line as sides as A, B, B, C, and A, C, and the angles at angle A, angle B, and angle C. Okay. Now, how do we represent a triangle? Whenever we want to represent a triangle in geometry, so we represent with a small triangle shape. Okay. The line segments. Okay. Now, interior angles of a triangle. What are the interior angles? Obviously, from the name, interior means the inside angles of the triangles are called interior angle A, B, C. Now, this angle, all the three angles are interior angles. Okay. Now, what are exterior angles? This is a triangle. If I extend a line, now A, B, C. Okay. If I extend the line B, C, okay, up to D, okay, then this angle that is formed, this is called exterior angle. Okay, same way you can extend all the three sides. Okay, if you're extending at B, this is your exterior angle, If you're extending an A like this straight, so this is your exterior angle. Okay. So on the three side or from all the three vertices, you can extend the line and make an exterior angle. Okay. And one thing we will be doing in the proof, but the sum at the exterior angle, the value of the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Okay. Opposite interior angle means, see, अभी मैंने यहाँ पे, if you see another figure for clear image, okay, A, B, C, D. Okay, so this is the exterior angle. Okay, now this will be equal to the sum of these two interior angles. Okay, see, okay, this angle will be equal to the sum of these two interior angles. And how we will be proving it? Okay, with the proof you will get to know much better. Okay, now some of the basic things I will tell you about triangle. Now, how many types of triangles are there? Can anybody tell how many types of triangles are there? Obtuse angle triangle, acute angle triangle, right angle triangle. Okay, these are the simple definitions. Now, what is a right angle triangle? What is a right angle triangle?
Now, right angle triangle has one angle is right angle.
One angle is 190 degree.
Yes, one angle is 90 degree. And other two angles will be?
Other two angles will be less than acute angles, right?
Yeah.
The sum will be 180, I think.
Because if 90 is there, then it can't be.
Shazam, what did you say? The other two angles will be?
Ma'am, means the sum of three angles equal to 180.
Yeah, sum of three angles. Okay, I thought that the sum of the two angles were saying. Okay, so these two angles will be acute angles. Okay, and the sum will be equal to 90 degree because one angle is 90 degree and all the three angles sum will be 180 degree. So therefore, the rest two angles sum will be 90 degree and they will be always acute. Okay, in a triangle, you can have only one angle as a right angle. Okay, the other two angles will always be acute. Okay, understood?
This one
is acute angle triangle. Okay, acute angle triangle, what will be there? In acute angle triangle, all angles will be acute angle. Okay, all angles will be equal to acute angles. तीनों के तीनों angles आपके acute angle होंगे. Okay, now if it is an equilateral triangle, so the least value can go for all the three, the same value can say to 60. 60 से नीचे value नहीं होगी. मतलब अगर तीनों के 60 है, so 60 से नीचे नहीं होगी. Okay, but it can be there that one is 70 and then the other is 40. That is perfect. Okay, but if all the three triangles are having 60 value, 60 value से तीनों की value less नहीं होगी. Okay, now there is obtuse angle triangle. Now obtuse angle, in obtuse angle triangle, one angle will be only obtuse angle. Okay, only one angle will be obtuse angle. The rest two angles will be always acute angle. Okay, any doubt in this?
no, ma'am.
Okay, now let's see. The sum of an angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, this is your theorem. Okay, the sum of an angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Till now you have been using this theorem. Okay, that sum of the angles of all the three sides of a triangle are 180 degree. But how we can prove that? How can we prove that? Now, if you see a triangle here, A, B, C. Okay, now three angles are there. I am marking angles with number. Okay, angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. You can mark it as A, B, C also. Okay, X, Y, Z also. Okay, so angle 1, 2, 3. Okay, now to prove it, what I'm doing, I'm drawing a line parallel to BC from point A. Point A से मतलब इस तरह से मैं line draw कर रही हूँ. That is passing from point A. Okay, and the line is parallel to CD. I'm using a different color. Okay, now this line I'm marking it as PQ, and this is parallel to BC. Now, if you see, this line is parallel to BC. Therefore, this angle will be equal to this angle. Alternate interior angle. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I am marking it as 3, angle 4, and angle 5. I will mark this with different color. Angle 5. Okay. So angle 4 will be equal to angle 2, alternate interior angles. Okay. Now similarly, angle 5 will be equal to angle 3. Same, alternate interior angle. Okay. PQ, since PQ is parallel to BC. Therefore, okay, we have got this. Okay, now if you are going to add both the equation, okay, this is one will be first, this is second. Adding equation first and second, angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Now we are adding angle 1 on both the side. We can add the same thing on both the side. Angle 1 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Okay, now if you see here, since PQ is a straight line, since PQ is a straight line and all the three angles lie on it, so therefore angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. Am I right or not? So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree as proved. Any doubt, anybody?
No, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. So this is your proof of the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, and this is your theorem. Now we will be having some of the questions on theorem, but before that, one more proof that I told you, that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two equal formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Okay, now how can we prove that? Again, see, your sum of the triangles is what? At angle ABC will be what? Angle ABC will be equal to 180 degree. Okay? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 degree. Just now we have seen the theorem from the angle, the sum of the angle of the triangles. Okay? Now, if you see that BC, AC is a ray that is standing on BC. Okay? So from linear pair equation, what will be there? That angle, this ACD plus angle C will be equal to 180 degree or not? Yes? This angle will be equal to this plus this is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. Okay. Now you see both are equal to 180 degree. So we can write that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to angle ACD plus angle C. Now you can cut from both side angle C. So angle A plus angle B is equal to angle ACD. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No.
Now, some important points. I think I've already told you. A triangle cannot have more than one right angle. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Otherwise, it will become like this, like this.
It will not be a triangle, in fact,
It will not be a triangle.
because they will not be able to join each other. Okay, the points, the vertex. The triangle cannot have more than one obtuse angle. Again, if more than one obtuse angle will be there, so again it will not be a triangle. It will be a different shape only. Okay. In a right angle triangle, the sum of the two acute angle is 90 degree. Yeah. And an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than either of its interior opposite angle. Okay. Because जो exterior angle होता है वो sum होता है, that is equal to the sum of the opposite angles. Okay. So अगर एक single opposite interior angle आप लोगे तो उससे उसकी value हमेशा बड़ी ही होगी. Understood? Understood this statement?
Then what was the last statement?
The exterior angle of a triangle is greater than either of its interior opposite angle. Okay. So the exterior angle होता है. The exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite angle. ठीक है? दो angle include होते हैं. But if you compare the value of the exterior angle with only one opposite interior angle, so it will always be greater. Okay. यहाँ पे figure में angle ACD will always be greater from angle A individually and angle B. Okay. It will be equal to the sum of the angle A plus B. Okay. Now, problem based on the theorems. Okay. Now, let's see some simple problems. They are very quick, simple problem. Can a triangle have all the angles less than 60 degree? तीनों के तीनों angle less than 60 हो सकते हैं.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. If one angle can be less than 60. Okay. In fact, angles can also be less than 60, but all three angles cannot be less than 60. Otherwise, it will not be a triangle.
Triangle.
How many triangles can be drawn having its angles 53 degree, 64 degree, and 63 degree? If you add all the three values, it will give you 180 degrees. So we can have only a single triangle from all the given values of angles. Okay. Now, the third one. Tell me the value, everybody. Just quickly. Tell me the value quickly. An exterior angle of a triangle is 105, and its interior angles, interior opposite angles are equal. Find each of these equal angles. Tell me the value fast. It's very simple. The value of exterior angle is given, okay, and the value of exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior angles, sum of the opposite interior angle, in fact, okay. So दो angle होते हैं जो आपके opposite होंगे exterior angle के, okay. So and it is also told you in the question that both the angles are equal. So what will be the value?
Ma'am, one angle will take it x and another also x, so it will be 2x. So x plus x equal to 105 degree, is it so?
X plus x is equal to 105 degree, yes.
So 2x equal to 105 degry and x equal to 105 divided by 2.
Yeah. So what is the exact value?
Ma'am, it is
21.
I'm
Sorry,
five.
not- sorry, that's
it
not
will be
that's
52.5.
It'll be 52.5.
Yes.
No need to open the notebook.
Yeah. No need to open the.
No need to open the notebook.
That's good if you don't need to open the notebook. In fact, you have to open the notebook because it was just a simple question, okay? It's
Ma'am,
just
it
a
doesn't require any working.
part of the question, actually, okay? We will be needing them, okay? And in class 9, we are having a simple question, but when you will go to 11, 12, you'll have a complex one also, Okay. Now, in triangle ABC, okay, do it quickly. These are easy questions, okay? So I'm not going to do it. I'm asking you to solve it, okay? Wherever you will feel like that I should solve it, I'm going to solve. We'll discuss all the part. What happened? Okay, everybody do this question. In a triangle ABC, so there is a triangle ABC, angle A, ratio angle B, ratio angle C is given as 1/2, 1/3, 1/6. Now always remember, whenever in a question the ratio is given, you cannot take the value directly equal to it. You cannot take directly angle A is equal to 1/2. You'll always multiply a constant K, okay? Because this is the ratio, not the exact value, okay? Maybe your answer was 5/10. So after cancelling, you'll get 1/2. So this is the ratio. This is not the exact value. So always add a coefficient, constant term. Okay. So angle A will be equal to 1/2K. Angle B is equal to 1K/3, and angle C will be equal to K/6. Okay. Now you have to calculate the measure of angle ABC. I think everybody knows the sum of all the angles of the triangle is what? 180 degree. So can you tell me? So it will be it will be equal to K/2 plus K.
Can I tell the answer?
Yeah.
Ma'am, angle A 90, angle B is 60, and angle C is 20.
Angle A 90, angle B 60, angle C
30, okay, fine. 30, okay. I thought it's 20. Yeah.
30. Okay. Razi, any issue in this? The main equation that you have to solve is this. Okay. K/2 plus K/3 plus K/6 is equal to 180 degree. So what you will get?
Okay, ma'am.
It will be 6. 3K plus 2K plus K is equal to 180 degree. So 6K upon 6 is equal to 180 degree. K value will be 180 degree. Okay. And now you can do 180/2, 180/3, 180/4. So angle A will be equal to 180/2. That will be 90 degree. Angle B will be equal to 180/3. So that will be 60 degree. And angle C will be equal to 180/6. 180 degree by 6, that is 30 degree. Okay. Now, again, the next question. Now solve. In triangle ABC, if angle A is equal to 2x minus 5 degree, angle B is equal to 5x plus 5 degree, and angle C is equal to 3x plus 50 degree. Find the value of x. Again, what we know in triangle, you'll have to mention all the theorems, okay? So from that, angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be equal to
180 degrees.
2x minus 5 plus
2x minus 5 plus 5x plus 5 plus 3x plus 50 is equal to 180.
5, 6, 7, 8, 10.
Ma'am, 10x plus 50 equal to 1.
10x plus 50 is equal to 180, and that means 10x would be equal to
130 degree.
130, and then x will be
13. I said 13. Now we'll put the value of x everywhere and we'll get the.
You will put the value of x.
No need to open my
You
book.
have for only C, but you can solve for all the three. All the three. Okay?
No, I didn't need to open my book.
3.
That's what I said.
These are easy now. When the questions are easy, how it's very interesting now. But when we get stuck, then it gets why we have to do
No,
that.
ma'am, when we get stuck, that's the most interesting part.
Yes.
That's good, in fact, and that is that should be your enthusiasm, we can say, okay? Because when you get stuck and you are trying to solve it, okay, so actually you are learning more, okay? Because the things that are easy, you'll get to know, okay? उसपे ना practice करने की भी जरूरत नहीं होती है. But when you are getting stuck, you are trying to solve it, then you actually get to know many more things, and that all the questions that are that type, you learn them also, okay?
Actually, when I get too stuck, then I just start to.
Wait, what is there? Plus 50 there. Okay, I thought it is minus. Okay. 89. Okay, so let's see some more question. Time is also up. Okay, this question I will tell you in the next class because time is also up. Or do you want to try? Okay, give it a try. This question. Wait. You cannot just copy this question and then we will do in the next class.